What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am back, baby. I am back in my house finally. I know you have a lot of questions and I have a lot of answers, but I don't want to talk a lot. And you guys don't want to listen because you usually don't anyway. The reason that I've been gone is, well, let me show you guys. Let me show you. We're changing my hat real quick. And that is right. That is right, fellas. I am now a trucker. As you can see, I have my trucker hair and everything. Got the beard going, got the glasses. You know what I'm saying? I got it all, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, I joined Schneider. I haven't had like a real job since the pandemic, to be quite honest. And ever since, I've been doing like gig stuff, like DoorDash and stuff like that. It's been hard. Like my body's been sore. Like my feet is sore, my legs are sore. I need time to recuperate and to get my muscle back up to snuff so I don't feel it. And then I can get more content out there, guys, because I've been just resting. Like for the past 3 weeks, I was in training, I was away, I was in Carlisle, super far from the house, like an hour and 40 minutes. And then after I was done with the Schneider Academy, as I call it, the Schneider Boot Camp. Then I went to New Jersey. It lasted a week with a trainer. So now I'm on my own. So now I'm gonna need time to recuperate, but I'm glad I'm back. I just wanted to make this quick update so you guys don't think I'm slacking or something like that. No, this is just the beginning. This is just the basis of my channel growing up, you know what I'm saying? Because now that I have a formal job again, I could actually save up and get a lot of things done to the G that I've been wanting to do for a long time. And I didn't want to do it because I didn't want to spend my life savings, you know, to survive, because I wasn't working, you know, like a regular job. So that being said, most likely by next week I'll do like a formal video maybe, but maybe I need another week to relax and recuperate my muscles, and then come back with the thunder. Anyway, God bless. Stay prayed up. See you next time, guys.